Hey guys, the AI trend may be the most lucrative area to invest in. Altcoin Daily showed the top 10 AI coins worth investing in. I highlighted the top 5, and I am going to point out the details that the crypto blogger forgot to mention. Which assets will make tens of X's and when to buy. Let's figure it out now. I believe that the next trend on the altcoin market will be about AI tokens, because this is the new narrative where major companies like Google, Microsoft, Meta, and others are investing billions of dollars. That's why it's a good time to pay attention to undervalued AI tokens before they grow. The first project we're going to break down today is The Graph with the GRT token. It is the largest AI-related token with a capitalization of exactly $1 billion. Graph has raised almost $300 million in investments over time. Even now, early investors are on the plus side, even though the token has dropped quite a bit in the last 2 years. Why pay attention to GRT? For starters, just look at the project's weekly chart. Since March 2021, the price of the token has plummeted by 95%. And is in a prolonged sideways trend. Usually at such moments, big players accumulate tokens so that they can dump the price and sell tokens at tens of times the price. However, one should not forget about the capitalization of the project. The GRT token is now worth 20 times less than at its peak. At the same time, the capitalization of the project has decreased only 5 times. How did this happen? It's just in the last 2 years the supply of tokens has increased several times. Now the potential for growth of Graph is limited to 5 to 6 tokens, and the main targets for sale are 70 to 80 cents. Let's look at the GRT chart more locally. In past videos, I have said that a good buy zone is below 10 cents, and here we are at it. The important thing now is to hold the support level of 10 cents and break the local downtrend. Then there is a chance to continue rising. Otherwise, GRT will drop to the local low and look for a support zone around 5 cents there. And we are moving on to another token from Altcoin Daily. Render Network is a blockchain-based platform that aims to provide decentralized cloud computing services. It utilizes the power of distributed computing resources to enable faster and more efficient processing of complex tasks, such as rendering high-quality graphics and animations. The project has a utility token called RNDR, and that's what we are going to discuss now. Let us start with a higher time frame. On a weekly chart, we see the beginning of a bullish trend after a long accumulation phase. The last 3 weekly candlesticks look inconclusive and weak, which means that the price may go down soon. Moreover, the price is near the weekly resistance zone, which is also not a good time to buy. On the daily chart, Render has formed a head and shoulders pattern. It is a strong enough signal for reversal of the local trend. Moreover, Bitcoin dominates the market now, which also confirms the possible weakness of altcoins. Therefore, a good point to buy the asset is the level of 90 to 80 cents. Technically, this is the zone where the RNDR price should go down, if the head and shoulder model works. You may ask, why are you showing us assets that could drop even more? My friends, I only show assets that I think are promising in the long term. And locally, they may fall to better prices, which is what I'm warning you about. Now moving on to the asset with the most growth potential. This is the Oasis project with the Rose token. It is not directly related to AI, but as Altcoin Daily stated, it is a project which uses AI natively. A year ago, Oasis partnered with Meta AI. Oasis Labs partners with Meta to assess fairness for its AI models using cutting-edge privacy technologies. So I have no doubt that this project has a future, even in partnership with such a giant. I said this is the most promising project for a reason. Take a look at the weekly chart. Rose has been in the accumulation zone for over a year and has dropped quite a bit from the past highs. Of course, previous success does not guarantee a repeat in the future, but I have other reasons to believe in Rose's growth. Oasis has attracted investments from the top funds in the crypto market: Binance, Andreessen Horowitz, Polychain, and others. According to Dropstab, investors have a return of only 2.5x of the initial investment. That's very little for such a fundamental project, so it seems to me that right now funds are buying tokens cheaply in order to then stock up. Let me remind you that everything said in this video is just my thoughts and not financial advice. So now we are moving on to two powerful AI altcoins that everyone should have in their portfolio. The fourth asset is Fetch AI with the FET token. Fetch AI is a project that aims to create a decentralized AI network. It combines AI technology with blockchain technology to enable autonomous machine-to-machine communication and collaboration. The goal of Fetch.ai is to build a network where digital entities known as autonomous economic agents can interact, negotiate, and transact with each other without the need for intermediaries. These AEAs can represent a wide range of entities, such as autonomous vehicles, smart devices, or even virtual assistants. On the weekly chart, we can see that the price is between the supply and demand zone. The price is gradually dropping below 10 cents, which is a good area to buy the asset. Now, it is difficult to make any predictions because the price is trading in a sideways trend with equal probability to rise or fall. On the daily chart, we can observe a very important setup. The price came very close to the trend line and the 50-day moving average. If the price breaks through this level, the local growth might start very soon. Otherwise, the FET as well as GRT will decrease even lower. Next, let's look at a project whose token was pumped by Elon Musk himself. The last asset for today is Singularity Net. This is a blockchain-powered platform that allows anybody to easily create, share, and monetize AI services, thanks to its globally accessible AI marketplace. In recent videos about Singularity, I was expecting the price to drop into the green zone indicated on the chart. Now the price is here, and I don't see a strong bullish momentum yet. So before AGIX skyrockets, I expect another drop below 10 cents. The asset has been significantly overhyped, and that's what I was talking about a few months ago. This tells you not to buy something that will be pumped. It's often a good idea to wait it out and buy back the token after a decline. And that's all I have. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Your Coin Post.